Good morning, everyone. Jake here, coming from you for here'sjaken.com. Check it out. Alright. So today I'm going to show you how to install a LAMP server on Ubuntu. So you just open a terminal, go sudo apt get install lamp minus server and an up arrow. Yeah, so this is on Ubuntu 12.04 LTS is what I'm using, but it'll work on the other versions of Ubuntu as well. So yeah, sudo apt minus get install lamp server. Now what a lamp server is Linux Apache MySQL and PHP all in one server. So it's an AMP server on Linux, which Ubuntu is a version of Linux, so there you go. Now you just go yes for this if you want to use your disk space, and it'll just cruise along and do it. Cruises along. And this will take a few minutes, so I'll skip a bit as I do. So yeah, it'll take probably 10 minutes depending on your computer. Then it'll pop up with this box here. It'll say new password for MySQL root user. I'm just going to use the password tor, which is just standard Linux password, root tor default password, just because I'm playing around, but you should use a strong password. 8 to 12 characters, uppercase, lowercase, exclamation mark, special characters, everything. Skipped a little bit more here too, and now it's all installed, it's finished. So we want to change directory to the root directory, root of the drive, not the root folder. But yeah, so now ls, where are we going? We want to go var/ww, which will give you whatever is on your ww root folder. So here we go, cd var/ww ls index.html. So we want to browse to index.html. I might open it in in the thingo. But anyway, what this basically does is shows you if Apache is working or not by browsing it through there. And it should have just made a default, index.html page. So I don't know what I'm doing in there, but brain fart time. So open Firefox or whatever browser you like using, maybe Dolphin, I don't know, Chromium, whatever you're using, and just browse to localhost. Oh, if you can hear that, that's my dog. Yep, he's crazy. Can you hear him? Anyway, go to localhost, not /index, just by the way, which you can do the other sort of slash and go index.html, but this will work. This will just bring up localhost. So there you go. You've got an Apache web server. It's working. How do we know if we've got PHP installed? Yeah, it doesn't tell you if you've got PHP installed properly. What we're going to do is try and add a line of PHP inside this index.html. Do you think that'll work? We'll find out shortly. But let's add this line of PHP code, PHP info, blah, blah. Let's just test. Shows you the info of your server. We'll just add a little break in here. So, and enter, basically. Save that and let's reload. Now that doesn't work. Why not? Because it's in a HTML file. So it doesn't work because it's in a HTML file. It doesn't know that it's meant to use PHP to read this file. So that little bit just looks like jibber jabber, it doesn't make any sense. So HTML just sort of skips it. Like, what's this even doing here? I don't understand it. I'm just going to leave it out of my web page. So as you can see after that, it's probably there, but you can't see it. So what we're going to have to do is you need to put some PHP inside a PHP file. So I'm just going to delete this out here, delete out all the HTML out of this file and save it as a PHP file, which is quite easy to do. There's nothing special to it. You just do it in this thing, Notepad or whatever it's called, gedit. So go file, save as, I'm going to call this php test.php. So you do not leave HTML on there because it will not work. So php test.php, and we'll just save that. Now if you go back to your browser and open up localhost/php test.php, we should hopefully see that PHP can work and use PHP. I don't know, how many times can I say PHP in a day? Bloody millions. But yeah, php test.php, enter. Oh, can't find it. Do you know why? Because I used the wrong sort of slash. So just take that out and put in a /, I believe that is. And we'll take away www because it's not on the World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Anyway, there we go. So there we go. You've got PHP installed on here. Ubuntu just tells you a bit of information, but yeah, that's run a PHP script. So yeah, anyway, happy web server. Now you've got your own web server. Yeah, so visit here'sjaken.com anyway. See ya.